A new report details a plan to reduce deadly force involving police in Minnesota. In the last 5 years, there have been more than 100 deadly force encounters involving law enforcement. The issue prompted the formulation of a working group to try and reduce these encounters. Kate Raddatz has been looking into the group's new recommendations, and she joins us now with more. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Amelia. There are 28 recommendations and 33 action steps in this report. These are the result of a months-long process of hearings involving a working group made up of law enforcement, mental health professionals, criminal justice stakeholders, and community members impacted by deadly force.
Clarence Castile said he's grateful for a new recommendation to evaluate the effectiveness of police body cameras in reducing deadly force encounters.
The fact is, we have to start somewhere. So we'll start with the researching, but hopefully in the future, we can mandate something like that.
Clarence's nephew, Philando Castile, was shot and killed in 2016 during a routine traffic stop in Falcon Heights. He's now one of 16 members, part of a working group led under Minnesota DPS Commissioner John Harrington and Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison.
I want to thank the moms, I want to thank the sisters and the moms and the relatives that all came forward to tell us their story. Reliving what was probably, and in my mind, no doubt, the worst day of their lives. Cannot have been easy.
6 months of public hearings created agreed-upon recommendations and action steps that include training law enforcement in de-escalation, creating a specialized unit in the BCA to investigate officer-involved shootings, and expanding resources to improve the mental health of first responders.
No state in the United States has brought together the Attorney General and the Commissioner of Public Safety, who is a top-level appointee of the governor, to talk about how we can deal with deadly force encounters. This is new. This is groundbreaking.
Sheriff Kevin Torgerson spoke on behalf of law enforcement, saying they were concerned about some of the recommendations.
That said, we have always been and will continue to be willing to work with lawmakers, stakeholders, and community members to find new ways to make our state a safer place for everyone.
The sheriff said one of the concerns is the potential financial burden to agencies across Minnesota implementing some of the trainings that are being proposed. To see the full report of recommendations and action steps, we have that for you at WCCO.com.
All right. Thank you, Kate.